Did you hear that? Did you hear that noise? So what is happening is our door is sticking here up on the door jamb, the frame, up at the top, and it's a metal door, interior metal door, well exterior if you call this part out being out in the garage, even though there's garage doors. But it is a metal door, and what's happened, it's rubbing up here in the door frame, and this part here has separated from the door, and I'm going to show you right now, and I'm going to show you how to fix it. So there you go. You can see this layer of metal here has come away from the center frame of the door, and it's metal. And I'm going to show you how to fix this, and that's only part of the fix because it's still rubbing on the door frame, so we're going to have to stop that from happening. So the way we're going to fix this is we're going to use this adhesive called PL. Now this is only the 3 times strength. I believe you can get 8 times strength PL, but I believe that the 3 times strength is going to do the job anyway. Now this is an older tube. I had to cut back the end of the tip here and clean it out. So hopefully I can squeeze enough in this small gap here to get the job done. But once this adhesive hardens up, once it gets hard in here, it's very hard for it to break loose. Like it's going to take a lot of force to break that loose because this adhesive is strong. It's construction adhesive. So I love this stuff. I use it everywhere if I have an issue or if I'm building things. I use this all the time. All right, so I brought you in a little closer and I'm going to pull this apart a little more. We're going to squeeze some of this PL adhesive down inside here. If I can get the caulking gun in here. Here we go. Now, we don't want to get it on the outside of the metal and the door, the frame here. So make sure if you do anything comes out, you clean it off. Because once the stuff hardens, you're going to have to chip it away for sure. So I do have a bit in there, but I'm going to try and work down a little bit. I should have brought a screw. Look at that, I got it on my fingers. So I should have brought a screwdriver with me just to open this up a little more. But I'm going to try and do it without running for any tools. There we go. So I'm going to clean that up a little bit and we're going to squeeze it together. So I'm just going to run it down inside here and just get a little more coverage in there. Clean your fingers because, like I said, once this stuff hardens, it gets really messy. See, it's all gushing out the top. It's gushing out the sides here, and that's fine because when it's done, squeeze it all together, we're going to clean it up. Okay, now that we have it glued, I'm going to put a C-clamp here. I may even put another clamp on. I got 2 right now. But this is going to keep it together for maybe an hour. Don't over tighten it. And this one's not holding that well. Let it dry for an hour and then take the clamps off and then you can close the door and it should stay together pretty good. The adhesive, now you can see the adhesive starting to seep out of there. So I am going to clean that up again. But it's because we're putting the clamp on and tightening this that glue is being squeezed out. That's good. This is all going to dry nice and it's going to hold together very well. I'll bring you in closer just to show you what it looks like. Clamped and glued. And like I say, give it about an hour, it'll harden up. Then you can take your clamps off, close your door, and then just let it be for the night. Don't do anything till tomorrow with this door. Don't use the door, use another door. And as for it rubbing here on the frame, you can see that the door is rubbing on the frame, the metal part, so you can't skin this down a bit. But you can take some a file or let's say an electric sander and just give this a quick scuff right in here. Take it down about a millimeter, maybe less. That's all it needs, just a quick sanding until it doesn't stick anymore. And then you can repaint it if you want. and then that should be good. That'll take care of that problem. The adhesive up here is going to take care of the problem of your door splitting. Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.